Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out a Wet n Wild product that I actually picked up at Dollar General for only $2. This is the Megaslicks lip gloss and I have it here in the shade 545B Sweet Glaze. This does come in a bunch of other shades as well, but this one I feel like it's going to be pretty sheer. But this is supposed to be moisturizing, high shine, so I love all of that. My lips definitely need some moisture and shine right now. I feel like this is just such a classic kind of no frills type of lip gloss. It's got the doe foot applicator. It has like that vanilla sweet scent. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Oh yeah, actually completely clear. Not even a tint of color. That's surprising because this does come in a clear version as well. But this one is totally clear. So let's see how it is on my lips. I feel like one layer doesn't give much shine. It does give moisture though, and it's a thick formula. It almost kind of feels like a lip balm on my lips with just one layer. I want to go in with a little bit more because I feel like I need more to get that shine. I don't even think that helps. I think it's just not super shiny. It's like a little bit shinier than a lip balm, but it reminds me so much of a lip balm because of the texture of it, and it's very hydrating. My lips are feeling moisturized, but not as shiny as I was expecting. And it's fine, but it's just so boring. And this is probably going to be a boring video, but I just wasn't expecting it to be so boring. No color at all and not amazing shine. Like, it looks shiny, like you can tell I'm wearing a gloss, but it could be glossier. And although it is moisturizing to my lips, I don't feel like my lips look smoothed out at all, so it's not super flattering or enhancing to the lips. I've been trying out a lot of lip glosses from Dollar General lately, and if I had to rank them, I would surprisingly put this at the bottom. Like, I like the other lip glosses that I've tried better, and they're all around the same price point, so that's what I would say, is pick up a different lip gloss from Dollar General. So many great options rather than this one. It's only $2, and for $2, it's definitely not bad. It can be a fine lip gloss. It's not sticky, comfortable, moisturizing on the lips, all of that, but I'm just not wowed by it. But definitely let me know your thoughts on the Wet n Wild Megaslicks lip gloss in the comments down below, especially if you've tried any other colors that you love. I'd like to get those recommendations because if I got this in like a colored, it would be more exciting and I would probably like it more. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.